friends, this is Guna from Guna's Infomedia. I think all you are safe with your family and enjoying the communication with your family. Since it is a pandemic time, we should all spend this valuable time with our family to enjoy the peaceful days in our lifetime. Let us go to the topic: business startup ideas. In the last session, we discussed lot of things about the habits, about the thinking we should follow before starting a business. Today we are going to take the next session, which is very important in our daily business routine. Yes, experience. Today we are discussing about the valuable point, experience, which is very important to start a business, to get a successful feedbacks. Lot of people suffering after starting the business because of not having any experience. They all will have experience theoretically after finishing a college degree with their passion. Without having experience, they won't get succeed. So, what are the things we should follow to get a valuable experience in a short time? Let us discuss that valuable point. To get experience, friends, brothers and sisters, we should select a small scale company to gather experience. We should go to work to gain experience minimum for about 1 or 2 years. Minimum experience 1 or 2 years we should have to get a proper experience. We should not go to a large scale company, because in that large scale company we will not get any chance to face the critical situations they are facing, because all in that company, large scale company, they are having a proper team in all categories, so that we can't get any type of experience in that company. In small scale companies, they will have only minimum peoples for work. In the company, while we are working, we can work in a lot of categories. We can get experience in lot of categories: administration, manufacturing, packing, accounting. What are the financial crises they are facing? All type of experience we can gather. So select the company very clearly. Small scale industries. We should not select very poor scale industries. In that also we should be very careful in selecting the company we are going to work. Small scale industries means working very properly but not having a lot of employees in that. Select that type of company so that we can get experiences. Next, don't forget to work genuinely. Don't work for salary, because we are not working for salary. We came for experience. So be determined, be passionate, work hard so that we can gain experience. Friends, experience is not about only education. Experience is a thing we should have practically by facing lot of crises, lot of problems while running a business or some companies. While facing practically a problem and solving it, we can gain lot of experiences. Not only education will give the experience. Education is a thing, that's all. It is a thing to follow. It is a tip to follow that particular thing. but experience is the thing. It will teach how to do that properly, how to face the problems while doing something, some process in our business. So friends, don't forget to gain the valuable experience. Select proper companies to work for experience, not for salary. Thank you. Have a nice day. It is the end of the session. Tomorrow we will discuss about the next startup ideas. Step by step, we are discussing about the business startup ideas. What are the things we should follow before starting a business? It will be very helpful for youngsters after completing the degree, after completing the schooling, before starting a business. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Please share the video to your friends so that they can also get knowledge, because knowledge is power. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.